How to make money with AI-generated coloring books for kids. The hidden gold mine. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, sellers made over $500 million last year selling low-content books. One of the hottest niches right now? AI-generated coloring books for kids. Parents spend $10 to $20 per book, and you can create a complete book in under 2 hours using free AI tools. Why coloring books? No writing skills needed, just images and simple covers. High demand, coloring book for kids gets 100,000 plus monthly searches. Print on demand, Amazon prints and ships for you, zero inventory. Royalties up to 70%, you keep most of the profit. Step-by-step method. Step 1, find a profitable sub-niche. Don't make animals coloring book. Be specific. Niche monthly searches competition. Dinosaur coloring book for toddlers 8,000 low. Space coloring book for kids 4 to 8 6,500 low. Mermaid coloring book for girls 12,000 medium. Christmas coloring book for preschoolers 15,000 high, avoid. Step 2, generate black and white images using AI. Use Leonardo.ai, free 150 credits/day, or Playground AI, free. Use this prompt. Black and white outline coloring page for kids, your theme, simple thick lines, no shading, white background, cartoon style, suitable for children ages 4 to 8. Generate 50 to 100 images, 1 per page. Step 3, remove backgrounds automatically. Use remove.bg, free for first 50 images, or Adobe Express free background remover. Step 4, arrange pages into a PDF. Use Canva, free. Create a 8.5x11 document. Add 1 coloring image per page. Add a blank page between images, so markers don't bleed through. Add a simple title page, theme coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. Step 5, create a cover that sells. Use Canva's book cover templates. Your cover needs bright, bold colors, opposite of inside pages. Large, easy to read title. For kids ages 4 to 8 or perfect gift for toddlers. Step 6, upload to Amazon KDP, free. Go to kdp.amazon.com, sign up free. You'll need PDF of interior pages. PDF of cover. Title, description, keywords. Price, $7.99, earn $3 per sale. Step 7, drive your first sales, without ads. Give away 5 free copies on Facebook free coloring book groups for reviews. Post on Pinterest, coloring books do extremely well there. Create a short video flipping through your book on TikTok, use hashtag coloring book. Pro tips. Bundle 3 books into a series, example Dinosaurs Vol 1, 2, 3, parents buy all 3. Add a this book belongs to page, reduces returns. Make a low resolution preview on Amazon, so people can't print your pages for free. Tool summary. Task free tool. Image generation Leonardo.ai. Background removal remove.bg, free tier. PDF layout Canva. Publishing Amazon KDP. Keyword research Amazon search bar, type your idea, see suggestions. Action steps for tomorrow. Spend 30 minutes finding a niche, type coloring book 4 into Amazon. Generate 10 test images using Leonardo.ai. Make one 20-page book and publish it on KDP. For more visit our website, please subscribe, like, and share.